Welcome to our channel. Today we how to turn off Spotify Canvas videos, playback settings step by step clearly. Open the Spotify app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you are logged in to the correct Spotify account. Tap the Home tab at the bottom of the screen. Look for the settings icon in the top right corner. Tap the settings icon to open the settings menu. Scroll down until you find the playback section. Tap Playback to open playback-related options. Find the option called Canvas. If you do not see Canvas immediately, scroll a little, tap the toggle next to Canvas. Turn the toggle off so Canvas is disabled. Confirm the toggle stays off and does not switch back on. Go back to the main screen by tapping the back arrow. Start playing any song that usually shows an animated canvas. Watch the now playing screen for a few seconds. Check that the animated canvas video no longer appears. If you still see Canvas, fully close Spotify from the app switcher. Reopen Spotify to refresh your settings. Play the same track again and recheck the now playing screen. If you are using Spotify on another device, repeat these steps there too. On iPhone, ensure Spotify is updated from the App Store. On Android, ensure Spotify is updated from Google Play. After updating, return to Settings and open Playback again. Verify Canvas is still turned off after the update. If you use Data Saver, you can also enable it to reduce visuals further. In Settings, locate Data Saver and turn it on if you want. Return to Playback once more to double-check Canvas remains off. Keep listening and confirm the background stays static instead of animated. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.